Hello mortals, this is Steve the Devil here, and I just found out something that you're all going to love and hate at the same time. Santino Marella has announced his retirement from wrestling. Yes, you heard me correctly everyone. He announced his retirement from wrestling at a fucking WWE live event. He said he was hanging up his wrestling boots due to a number of issues with his neck. Well, I don't think it's a good thing that he has bad neck issues. I just wanted him to get the fuck off my TV screen. And guess what, everyone? It doesn't look like that's gonna happen. Because during Santino's bullshit retirement speech, he said he's not going away. It sounded like he said something about being a general manager or something. No! Please, no! Just retire from WWE, Santino Pussyrella. I don't want to see your not funny, cheesy ass dick fucking face on my TV screen. Get the fuck out! Damn it all to hell! Everyone, this sounded like good news at first when he was announcing his retirement, but when I watched a video of him actually saying it on camera, I fucking raged! Oh, by the way, if you all want to see that video for yourselves, link is in the goddamn description. Santino's character and acting are far much worse than his actual wrestling. I guess Vince McBitch is going to keep this pussy around and give him blowjobs every day, because Santino has been with the company since 2007. We're probably still going to see that gay-ass Cobra that he uses all the time too. So Santino Marella is not really retiring from WWE, just from wrestling in the ring. That's why this video is titled, Santino Marella announces his retirement from wrestling. So it still looks like we have to deal with this PG pussy getting shoved down our fucking throats, bitch! And if he becomes a general manager, no! Please, no! No! Fuck! The hell with that shit. It's probably gonna happen, everyone. Santino Marella, you suck goose stick! Fuck you! So what do you all think of this shit? Leave your comments down below and let me fucking know! I am Santino Marella! Look at my Cobra! Look at my Cobra! Woo-hoo-hoo! Fuck you, Santino! Shove that goddamn Cobra up your ass! Now then, give the video a thumbs up, leave your motherfucking comment, and subscribe! I am Steve the Devil, and I'll talk to you all next time. That is all. Ha ha!